For this very easy beginner-friendly glueless frontal install, you're going to need a wig cap, lace tinting spray, a pair of scissors or brow shaper, hairspray, and glue strips. I love this cap so much. I think every wig wearer should own one. It is very efficient, comfortable, and keeps your wig in place. It also is not too tight. You even almost forget you're wearing something. I'm using this wig from Amazon. It's a 24-inch layered frontal wig. For those of you who do not know how to bleach lace fronts like me, these lace tinting sprays are a lifesaver. Just find your shade and spray the lace and that's it. It doesn't stain the hair and doesn't come off at all. It's not like shoe polish or whatever. It can last months and survives about 3 or 4 washes, and then you have to spray it again. Next step is putting on the wig, of course, making sure it's properly aligned with your natural hairline. Then use the scissors or brow shaper or knife or whatever works for you to cut. Now, we're not trying to achieve a sleek Lagos hairline or realistic situation here. Just cut the lace along the perimeter of the hair, or at least the shape of your hairline. Now everything nearly fits, but for the lace at the temples, so for that we will use these glue strips. They are available on Amazon, by the way, and I'll link everything in the description box. All you need to do is glue it exactly underneath the lace, and that is it. See how seamless that looks. For the rest of the lace, we're going to use this Tresemme Firm Hold Spray. This is not a glue, it's a regular hairspray that can be used on ponytails, slick backs to help the style last a couple days. Tie that down and let it dry. While it's drying down, I'll use my wax stick to create a middle part. I love this wax stick because it doesn't leave a white cast. It leaves a shiny finish. Then I'll just use a hot comb to straighten everything out. Lay those flyaways, steam them, make everything look sleek. And this is what it looks like. I think it looks great. It's not 200% seamless, but it doesn't have to be. Plus, if someone can see your lace, they're probably too close. Back off. Tell them to move aside respectfully, okay? To remove the lace, simply slide your finger underneath it and it comes right off. Easy peasy. And for the glue strips, use the glue melting spray, any one of your choice. I'm using the C22 solvent. Use the glue to melt that to avoid pulling on your edges. Just be gentle, and that's basically it. If you like this and will be trying it, please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share all the things. Shalom, shalom.